These are a couple things you need to know, that x to the 3/2 is x, the first number goes inside, the top number goes inside, and the other number goes here. You don't really put a 2 on the outside of a square root, so it would just be the square root of x cubed. This is the same as this, okay? If you have an equal sign, you can apply, let's say I have x to the 3/2 equals 15. I'm making that up so this isn't going to be pretty. And I want to get rid of the 3/2, I can just do this. And 15 to the 2/3 would be equal to x, because the 2 cancels out and the 3 cancels out. Do you see that?
I feel like it would end up being like,
You would square root both sides.
See, but wouldn't that be a cube?
So if I have x squared equals 15, that's x to the 1/2 equals 15. No, actually it's not. It's x squared equals 15, right? In order to get rid of a 2, I would do a 1/2,
I see.
and which is square root, which is what this is. Okay?
wowzers.
When you have fractions, complicated fractions, it's easier to deal with the exponent in fraction form than in radical form, because it's easier to see how to get rid of it. Okay? The square root undoes the square, so x would be here equals the square root of 15. X goes blank. Here the x is here. If the x is in this position, you can technically put it in the calculator. Okay? Because your calculator will do this for you. But if it's in next to the log or in the base, you're going to have to do some stuff. Okay? So if you ever have something equals x, just stick it in the calculator, and I'll tell you how to do that for your different calculators. You've got different issues here. So you got 243 to the negative 1/5 equals x. Now you have a negative exponent, so I can turn it into a positive exponent, and that's a 3, by putting it downstairs, and that equals x. Well, when I have 243 to the 1/5, that means the 5th root of 243 equals x, 1 over the 5th root. And you can put that in your calculator. What is the 5th root of 243? Is it 3? So the 5th root of 243 is 3, so it's 1/3 equals x. And that would be your answer. So this one you could maybe do in your head. This is going to be 125 to the 1/3 equals x. And that's the cube root of 125. And if you know your cube roots, you know that's equal to 5.
I don't